Let's see the impact of account group. To understand the impact of account group, let me explain with the business requirement. Okay, open the already existing GL account. For that, go to the T code FS00, or else you can also use the menu path, that is from SAP Easy Access, Accounting, Financial Accounting, General Ledger, Master Records, GL Accounts. Under GL Accounts, I'll select this Individual Processing, and under Individual Processing, I'll select this Centrally. Okay, once I click on the Centrally, a new window opens here. Here on the left side of the screen, what I'll do is I'll just expand the assets. Okay, so under assets, double click on bank account. When you double click on the bank account, what happens? Bank account is displayed. Now click on the control data tab. When you click on this control data tab, the system will navigate us to the new window wherein you have a field as tax category. Can you observe a field here? Yes, this is the one which is called as tax category. Let's say that business has come up with a new requirement. Whenever they are creating a new GL account under asset category, they want this field, that is tax category, should be hidden. In other words, they no longer need this, that is tax category field, to be displayed during the GL account creation. Now, as an SAP consultant, how will you fulfill this requirement? My question is as simple as this. As an SAP consultant, how will you fulfill this requirement? As you know already, Field Status Group manages the fields of GL account posting, which you learned already in your previous video. The account group always manages the fields during GL account creation. Correct, right? The account group manages the fields during the GL account creation. According to the requirement, we are required to make the change during the GL account creation. Hence, we need to make the configuration change for the account group. So, let's make the change in the account group to match our business requirement. As you know, any changes in the configuration, it will be done in SPRO. Correct, right? So the menu path for this is from SPRO, it is SAP Reference IMG, Financial Accounting, General Ledger, Accounting, GL Accounts, here Master Data, Preparations, and finally I'll click on this Define Account Group. Okay, Define Account Group. Once I click on this Define Account Group, the system will navigate me to a new window. Okay, here click on the position button. Can you see a button over here? Yes, you have to click on this position button and enter the chart of accounts, that is ABCC, and press enter key. Since we need to modify the account group of assets, double click on the line with assets. When you double click on this, a new window appears over here, and now we can see the list like this, that is account control, account management, bank or financial details, interest calculation, joint venture, and multi-currency accounting. Now we need to search for field tax category under individual heading. Let's double click on account control and see if it is available. So, can you find it? Yes, it is the second field here and it is marked as optional. Observe here, it is the second field and it is marked as optional. Now, according to the requirement, the field tax category should not be visible during the GL account creation in the T code FS00 of Asset Account Group. So, what we need to do is mark the field tax category as suppressed. What do you have to do? Mark the field tax category as suppressed. Now, just click on the save button. What happened? The changes are done and it is saved. To test whether it matches the business requirement or not, what we have to do is we have to verify it. For that, use the T code, that is FS00. What is the T code for that? It is FS00. Try creating the GL account under the account group assets. Click on the new button, enter the account number, the number next to the bank account GL account as we are creating under assets account group, and the company code as ABCC, and then hit enter button. Okay. Now on the right part of screen, select the account group as assets. Then click on Control Data tab. Observe here. Can you see the tax category field here? No, we cannot find it. It is because you have marked the tax category as suppressed in account group assets. You can also open the already created bank account and check. So just double click on the bank account on the left side of the screen. The system will ask you whether you want to save or not. Then just click on No button. Now the bank account is opened in my screen. Yes, here also the tax category field will not be available. Also, you need to observe one important thing. Yes, you need to observe one important thing. We have modified the account group for only asset. All the other account groups should not be affected by our change. So guys, let's test that as well. Now expand the expenses on the left part of the screen and double click on rent account. See, the field tax category is available. This is how you can manage the fields during the GL account creation by making use of the account group. Now, I'll make the field tax category field as optional again before proceeding to the next video. Okay?